What is going on, you guys? Back for another video. Start filming more because we got more shit coming. But we're gonna do a little like garage upgrade. So first things first, I want to start cleaning, organizing. It's like all this shit right here has got to go. So I'm gonna go ahead, go through that stuff, see what I want to keep, see what I don't want to keep, you know, that kind of stuff, and then add more rafters up here so I can have more, you know, storage above me, and then see where I can go from there, because it gets cold in here. So like I said, I just want to clean, organize, pretty much like empty it out, because my plan is I want to insulate and put OSB up along every wall and the ceiling, and then eventually add like a space heater like in that corner or over there, because the propane, one, it adds up quick. It's not as efficient as an electric one, and electric would just be nicer because then you could, I don't know, it'd just be nicer. It also helped having the garage insulated too. But another thing is electrical, because we only have the one outlet right there. So, you know, we have lights on, the compressor, that kind of stuff. We're blowing the breaker. So eventually, sometime soon, I'm going to add another breaker downstairs at like a 20 amp, run outlets all along the walls, probably like one or two on this wall, and like one or two on this wall, like one back there, one over here, and then probably add like a air hose reel like somewhere up here, or like an electrical hose or electrical reel up there, so then when we're working on our cars, it's right in the middle. Either working on this one or another one right here, it's right in the middle. Ease of access, right? So that's the plan. Stay tuned for that stuff, because that will be coming very soon. But no, today I plan on cleaning, going through shit, organizing, and then pretty soon me and Landon are gonna go ahead and get rid of the CRV for $1,000 cash, and it's an older Civic. So we found a deal. This guy hit us up. He was like, "Hey, I have an older Civic. It's clean. I'll give you $1,000 on top." I'm like, "We'll take it." You know, it was like, I believe there's like no rust on it, no orange peel, or not orange peel, sun fade, none of that stuff. So we're good there. So far, the only thing that's wrong with it that I know of is it needs rear struts and it has an exhaust leak. So later on, we're gonna go ahead, pick that up, and start on that. So like I said, I'll keep you guys updated as I go along and see how far I get. Okay, so I got pretty much all this cleaned out. It's just scattered everywhere around the garage. Fucking tractor tires or some shit, I don't know. But I have all the parts from my old IS300 in a bin right here. Tools and shit here that I'm probably gonna try and sell. Garbage, that stuff, which I don't know where I'm gonna put. And then this stuff, I don't know. So I'm gonna run to Menards, probably try and find like, I don't even know, hooks and chains and hinges or some shit. So I'll update you guys, probably take you along with me, and yeah, that's that. So I don't know, we'll see where this goes. So I suck at filming and like updating you guys, but I did get everything cleaned. Workbench is gone, toolbox is back there now. This whole wall is empty. That wall is pretty much empty besides some shit back here that I have to go through. And yeah, so I went to Menards, picked up some like electrical boxes, stuff like that. I already have one mounted up, but I don't have a tape measure, or at least I can't find one. I don't have a yardstick or anything. So what I'm gonna end up doing is marking somewhere on this level, put it to the ground, mark it up here, I guess, or something. I don't know how that, probably mark the bottom, and then start mounting the other ones. And then if you notice on the box here, there's a little lip which is about a 1/2 inch, so when you're putting up like drywall or OSB or whatever it may be, it's normally a 1/4 inch or a 1/2 inch thick, so that's kind of like a preset thing. So I'm gonna go ahead, set you guys up, and start mounting up some boxes. Okay, so I got these, got one mounted up right there, and then right there in the middle, just like if you have a car here and a car here, you know, you have something right down the middle. And then I was thinking of like mounting up like an extension cord reel somewhere up here, and then maybe like an air hose reel for the compressor. Get that all mounted up like right in the middle there, so then like I said, if you have a car on either side, it's right in the middle, you don't have to like wrap around another car or something. Just right there in the middle, easy to access, stuff like that. And I mounted one right in the corner here because eventually I want to get like a electric shop heater or something like that, mounted up right there in the corner. And then with mounting it in the corner, if everything's insulated and whatnot, kind of have it blowing that way so it hits that wall and then comes back this way, so it kind of like circulates around the room and gets a little bit of everything. So also, if you noticed, in here there's these little notches. You hammer those out or like poke them through with a screwdriver or something, and that's where you run all your wires through. So once you get those ran through, you know, wire everything up, you know, typical wiring stuff. I can show you later on. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So I think now I'm going to start poking those through, and then start actually I need to drill holes in the 2x4s first, so I have room to run the wires through, because eventually I'm going to add another breaker downstairs at a GFCI outside the house, because we don't have one in the back. So I'm going to add one back here, so then so all these are protected instead of having to run back downstairs, flip the breaker. Ooh, shit, it's a rat. Scared the shit. Wow. Anyways, mount the GFCI up out there, so then everything up here is protected and I don't have to run back downstairs. So yeah, I have some Romex 212 or 12.2 because like when you're running a 20 amp breaker, you want 12 gauge. So got some Romex, some 12.2, and then yeah, once I start drilling all the holes along here, run that through, wire, you know, outlets, stuff like that, and we'll be good to go. Alright, so update, I got some wire ran, I got all this ran, except I got the wrong connectors. I got a max 3 wire connector. I need 4 because I need all these 3, and then another to like this box right here to ground it. So I'm gonna have to run to Menards another day and grab some new connectors. But from the CRV, we got 1,000 cash and a car. You think they're ready?
I think they're ready.
Alright, so here it is. Super clean, except for, you know, the paint. Lots of swirls. And like, listen, sandpaper. And then we did a little test spot right here. We clay barred it and then buffed it. Huge difference. Smooth sandpaper. So we're gonna go ahead, clean this up a little bit, fix the paint. But yeah, overall, this is a super clean car. Like, we damn near stole this from them.
Pretty much. Rust free.
There's like 0 rust on it. There's a little bit of damage on it, but other than that, car's like super clean. So there's this right here. We got a new taillight coming. Right here, it's kind of caved in. So I might try and hammer that out. This is a little bent up, so I might try and straighten that a little bit. And then other than that, there's a spot over here on the door that's hit a little bit. And then the fender has a ding in here, which I might try and push out. But yeah, other than those few minor things, like I said, the taillight we're getting fixed, or we're getting new ones. The little bracket under the taillight, I'm going to try and straighten that out. So really it's just the door and the quarter that are dinged up a little bit. So we're going to go ahead, try and give this a little quick detail or something. Paint correction, whatever you want to call it. And I will show you guys a before and after.
Making one? I got that account. I just didn't make one.
Need to hop on that.
I know. That could be starting something.
For real. Alright, so hood is buffed. Unfortunately, I just dropped my finishing pad in oil. So as far as we could go is just clay bar it, buff it, and that's it. We'd wax it, but like, do we really want to do that? It's not a show car.
Yeah.
We're just trying to clean it up a little bit, make it look a little bit nicer so we can sell it. But, so yeah, got the hood. We didn't get this part. We got back here though. And the trunk has all this shit. Old owner must have like set stuff up here.
It was a table for sure.
Yeah. Used as a table and whatnot. But we did buff it up. It was all faded and whatnot. So, I mean, at least it's shiny. So, we got that done. You know, we just kind of want to get like the parts that, you know, people's eyes hit. You know, just the, I don't know, top parts, I guess. But yeah, so we got all that done. Clay barred it.
Buffed it?
Clay barred it, buffed it, and then I tried waxing the roof just to see what would happen, but it didn't do much.
Yeah.
Oh, and then I hit the bumpers, just the tops. So, but yeah, so I already got parts ordered. I need rear struts, valve cover gasket, taillight, and I ordered a grill. And then we're talking about just taking it to like a muffler shop or something, have them weld the O2 bung in or something.
Yeah. Well, an exhaust and put up O2 bung in it.
Yeah. Because it has an exhaust leak, so probably do that. And then should be good to go. You know, overall, the parts were not that expensive. For everything, minus the muffler shop shit, cost 150 bucks for rear struts, grill, taillight, and valve cover gasket. So, you know, money in, we're not looking too bad
At all.
and we're gonna try to sell the car for $2,000, see if we can get any offers for that. Landon already posted it up, said he was getting some
Bites.
yeah,
Yeah.
getting some offers for it. So now we just gotta wait for the parts to come in and we should be good to go. Yeah, parts to be here Monday, if not earlier, so stay tuned for that because we're going to be uploading that also. And that's about it for today. So I'm going to end this vlog here. Subscribe for more. Hit that like button. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more. Peace.
We'll be right back.